fire. We'll invite everyone. Let's use the wood and gasoline inside our father's shed. Stop right there! This is wrong! Have you guys lost your head?
Matches, candles, cigarette lighters too. Charcoal bricks, gasoline, oh yes, the stove top too. Never play with fire, it can burn you bad. If that would ever happen, we'd all be so sad.
Let's do something nice today for our mom and dad. We'll clean and make the front yard. Oh, they'll be so glad. We'll pile the leaves and burn them. The smoke will fill the air. Hold on now. This should stop till Mom